Welcome to Assam Don Bosco University.
Now let us take a tour of the Electrical and Electronics Engineering Department.
Our department was established along with this university in 2008, and our current head of department is Dr. Shakuntala Laskar.
This is Dr. Laskar, head of the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering of School of Technology, Assam Don Bosco University. This department started in the year 2008, and the first batch graduated in the year 2012, and till now 7 batches of students have acquired BTech degree. And moreover, we have our master's program in 2 disciplines. One is the power system and the other is the control and instrumentation. And so far 3 batches have obtained master's degree. At the same time, we are having a PhD program in this department, and so far 4 research scholars have obtained PhD degree, and another 8 are working under my supervision in different areas. The faculty and the staff here are actually dedicated, and they are putting their heart and soul to grow themselves in teaching and research, and at the same time creating an environment for the students to learn and grow, so that finally we produce the batches of students who are committed and dedicated and competent in the technological world.
The various lab facilities available in Assam Don Bosco University are Basic Electrical Engineering Lab, Circuits and Networks Lab, Electrical Measurements Lab, Electrical Machine Lab, Power Electronics Lab, Control and Simulation Lab, Advanced Control System Lab, Power System Lab, and Fiber Optics Labs, etc.
This is the Circuit Networks Lab. Here we are trained for the various practical applications of circuit network theories and also some electrical instruments.
This is the Control System Lab, where we are practically trained and applying various theories and control systems.
This is our Electrical Machines Lab. We mainly operate on AC and DC machine and study their characteristics, connections and different parameters. Our lab includes machines such as motors, alternators and transformers.
This is our Basic Electrical Engineering Lab. Here we are introduced to various concepts of electrical engineering, which we will be needing throughout our engineering life.
This is our Optoelectronics lab. Here we are trained in optical theories and various properties of light.
This is the Advanced Control System Lab. Here we study practically about various first order and second order systems.
This is an IT lab in which we are introduced to the concepts of programming languages. We practice programming languages like C and Java in our initial semesters.
This is the Fiber Optics Lab, where we are introduced to the concepts of fiber optics and communication.
The graduates from this department have been placed in diverse sectors such as the core sector, the IT sector, the management sector, in administration as well as in the defense sector. This is how we are providing the students with the holistic education for making them professionals in their life. Thank you.
Come recruit the best comprehensively trained individuals here at Assam Don Bosco University, where we believe in Carpe Diem, that is, seize the day.